Welcome to the MadgeTech app. In this video guide, we'll help explain how to configure logger checks to best suit your requirements or certain procedures. To find the logger check options, tap the settings icon at the bottom of your screen and then tap the notifications tab. Starting at the top of the options list, the logger check mode lets you select how frequently daily checks should be performed for VFC requirements. The report alert time option will allow you to select the time of day you'd like the checks to be completed. If the logger check mode is set to every 12 hours, the report alert time will be every 12 hours, and similarly if the mode is set to every 24 hours. Below that, you'll find the prior warning and repeat warning options with an editable number beside each one. Prior warning is used to specify how long before the report alert time a notification should be sent to your mobile device, and repeat warning is used for how long after the initial warning all subsequent notifications should be sent. The calibration period setting is to specify the calibration interval as stated in your standard operating procedure. The last option in the Notifications tab is again prior warnings, but this option is measured in days and is used to specify how many days in advance you'd like to receive a calibration reminder. If you have any questions about the app or want to learn more, please reach out to our technical support team. Thanks for watching.